Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our stamp club reveal for August of 2024. This is our original club. And I want to remind you, if you've never joined our club or you want to know more about it, we always have that information in the description below this video. So you can click more or show more and you'll be able to read all about it. Are you in the club and you're so anxiously awaiting to see this one? It's beautiful, you guys. I feel like we can never have enough florals, and I like a floral that can do a lot of different things. I don't really want one flower or one thing. I want it to be able to be colored in multiple ways. So let me put on this today. I love this one. This set is called Petal Pals. Look how cute this is. It's pals because we did hello friend, and it says, I'm glad I can look to you when I need a friend, and it says hi. But look at these beautiful flowers. Now, I wanted these to be sunflowers, and they're very similar. They can be colored like a sunflower, but they can be other things as well, okay? They don't quite have the center that a sunflower does, but you can do that same kind of coloring. But look at this gorgeousness. This huge piece of flowers here at the top is almost 4 inches. It's going to be a focal point on your card, super easy, and I love it. Now, something Sylvia does so well, okay, is she adds these little pieces for you that you can fill in wherever you want, and you can create using them. And some of my favorite pieces are these little swirlies. And if you notice, this guy here has those swirlies already attached to him. The reason I did that is when she had this design for me, I was like, you know what? I like that I don't have to place those and that they look like one piece, so leave those for me. But she wanted to give you this so you could add it here if you wanted, or you could change it, maybe add it to this flower all by itself. Another thing I wanted to do was to be able to layer these using this flower and even maybe this one. So we're going to show you how that works. Now, Shannon made the samples for you this week. I have been working on our class that's coming up. So I did that while Shannon made these, and I want to show you. Look at this beautiful card. Hello, friend. Isn't it gorgeous? Now, Shannon took the flower stamp and did it behind it with no color, and then chose one to color like a sunflower and pop out on some foam. Can you see how that one's lifted? Isn't that beautiful? And so easy. You only have to color one flower. You don't have to figure out how to color everything. I just think it's gorgeous. And then on the inside, I'm glad I can look to you when I need a friend. Did you know that sunflowers are always looking for the sun? They turn toward the sun, and if they can't find the sun, they look toward each other. Isn't that cool? So that's why we did that saying. And then the other one Shannon did to show you different ways of coloring. Look at the pink and the blues. You don't have to do sunflower. You can just make it beautiful in these lighter colors. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous on the inside of the card? So many of you say, I don't know what to do on the insides of my cards. This is perfect. Up in this corner, down in this bottom corner, wherever you want to put it, even if you turn your card sideways, it's going to be gorgeous. Now, we did only get 2 samples. Shannon got me 2. I couldn't ask her to squeeze out more than that, but this is beautiful. And I think it tells you kind of how to use the set. Now, as always, we would love for you to join our club. You can do that with the information below the video. And if you are in our club, or even if you're not, and you just purchased this stamp set, you make a project using the stamp set, load a photo of it to our customer gallery, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card that we give away at our reveal video every month. So today, if you want to see if you were last month's winner, look in that box below and see if your name is on the top line if you won the prize. Hey, thanks so much for being part of our club. I love this one. I cannot wait to see what you do with it. I think there's lots of things you can do, and I can't wait to play with it either. I haven't gotten to yet, but it's going to be super fun. All right, guys, till next time. Bye now.